Hello YouTubers, it's Harsh from Tech Crackers, and this time I'm going to show you how to customize your PC into a Jarvis. So let's get started. Here, click on Google Chrome and type rain meter. So as you can see www.rainmeter.net. Click here and here are the downloads. It's the latest version. Download this one. Here, start download. It's downloading, guys. Okay, now let's open this. Next, it's setting up the rain meter. So it's done. Now go home and here are the here your start bar is here, and here you can see rain meter icon. It's in a droplet form. Click here, and here is the rain meter management. So let's forget about it. You have to choose Google Chrome and type DeviantArt. Deviant. Here's DeviantArt. www.deviantart.com. Click here. Type beautiful blue. Beautiful blue 1.0. Sorry guys, it's not BLU, it's BLUE. So search it. Here you can see beautiful blue 1.0. Click here. Here, download it. It's a 21.5 MB file. Download this one. It's downloading. Now let's open this, guys. And as you can see, you have already downloaded Rainmeter. So Rainmeter Skin Installer access it. So here you have to install. Click on install button. So now let's go home. So here you can see the setup of Jarvis. It has been customized. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.